Last exam.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us do this question. Let me show. You have to solve question number 3. Let me just zoom it. So the question is that hydrogen bromide, it is a compound of the two elements hydrogen and bromine. It melts at minus 87 degrees Celsius and it boils at minus 67 degrees Celsius. It has the same type of bonding as the hydrogen chloride. So first question is hydrogen bromide solid, liquid or gas at room temperature. Second question is hydrogen bromide molecular or does it have a giant structure? What is your evidence? Third question, which type of bond is formed between the hydrogen and bromine atoms in hydrogen bromide? Okay, is it ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond? Draw a diagram of the bonding between the atoms showing only the outer electrons. Write a formula for hydrogen bromide and name two other compounds with bonding similar to that in hydrogen bromide and then write down the formula for these compounds. So this is a very easy question. If there is any mistake you will do, then I'll correct it. Okay, so please solve it. Okay, so is hydrogen bromide a solid, liquid or gas at room temperature?
It's gas.
Yes. Is it molecular or giant structure?
It is molecular.
How do you know it is molecular? What is your evidence?
It has a low melting and boiling point.
Yes. Which type of bond is formed between the hydrogen and bromine atoms in hydrogen bromide?
Covalent bonding.
Yes. Draw a diagram of the bonding between the atoms showing only the outer electrons. So you will draw it like this. Hydrogen, it have only one electron. Bromine, it have outermost 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sharing of electron will happen here and you can show it like this table. Write a formula for hydrogen bromide.
HBr.
Name other two compounds with bonding similar to that in hydrogen bromide.
Hydrochloric acid and sulf no carbon dioxide.
No. Carbon dioxide, no. It have one electron, outermost electron. They are both sharing only one electron.
Uh,
HCl, or you can say HF, HI, right?
uh,
These have bonding which is similar to hydrogen bromide. HCl, HF, HI, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. Okay.
yeah.
Solve question number 2. This diagram represents a molecule of a certain gas. Name the gas, give its formula. What do the symbols represent? Which type of bonding holds the atoms together? Name other compound with this type of bonding.
Done.
Okay. So name the gas and give its formula.
It's ammonia. This is NH3.
It's ammonia and the formula is NH3. What do the symbols represent?
It's dot and cross. They represent electrons.
Yes, dot represents electron from hydrogen atom and cross represents hydrogens from nitrogen atom, right? Or is it just the opposite? Dot represents the electrons from the nitrogen atom and cross represents the electrons from hydrogen atom. Okay. Which type of bonding holds the atoms together?
Covalent bonds.
Name another compound with this type of bonding, covalent bonding.
Phosphine.
Okay. Now, solve this question number 6. A part, B part, C, D, E, and F.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
I'm done.
Okay, just a minute. Question number 6 is done. Then do question number 4 also. Then we'll discuss the answers together. Okay, so let's solve the question number 6. In which state are the two elements at room temperature, 20 degrees Celsius?
They're both solid.
Solid state, very good. Which type of structure does carbon diamond have? Giant, covalent, or molecular?
It has a giant covalent structure.
Yes. What type of structure would you expect to find in silicon?
A giant covalent structure.
In which state are the two oxides at room temperature?
Um, Carbon dioxide is a gas, and silicon oxide is solid.
Yes. What type of structure has carbon dioxide?
It has a molecular structure.
Yes. Does silicon dioxide have the same structure as carbon dioxide?
No, it does not have the same structure.
Yes. No, because silicon dioxide have the giant covalent structure and carbon dioxide has a molecular structure. Now solve question number 4.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
I'm done.
Okay. Which of the 7 substances are metal?
Metal. Oh, it's D and G.
Yes, D and G are metals because metals have, that they have high melting point and they conduct electricity in both the liquid state and the solid state. Which substance are ionic compounds?
B and E.
Yes, B and E are your ionic compounds. Why? Because they have typically high melting point and they conduct electricity when molten or dissolved in water, but not in solid. 2 substances have very low melting points compared with the rest. Explain why these could not be ionic compounds.
They cannot be ionic compounds because they do not conduct electricity when in liquid, and they have a low melting point.
But which 2
compared to
compounds
that.
are you talking about? Which 2 compounds are you talking about?
It's A and C.
Yes, A and C. And also they have very low melting point. Okay, they have, you can see A have -112, C have -70. So they have very low melting points. And you know that in ionic compounds, they have strong electrostatic forces of attraction between ions. It requires a larger amount of energy to break. So they have high melting points. 2 of the substances are molecular. Which 2 are they?
Oh, it's A and C.
Yes, A and C, because they have low melting and boiling points due to weak intermolecular forces. Which substance is a giant covalent structure?
It's F.
Yes. What other name is used to describe this type of structure? It starts with M.
Macromolecules.
Yes, it's macromolecule. Name the type of bonding which is found in B.
Ionic bonding.
In C.
Covalent bonding.
In E.
Ionic bonding.
And in S.
Covalent bonding.
Yes, because they do not conduct electricity in either the solid state or the liquid state. Okay, so solve question number 8, metallic bonding is left. Solve question number 8, A part and B part.
I'm done.
So describe the bonding in people.
They have strong electrostatic forces of attraction between its positive lattice ions and a sea of delocalized electrons.
Yes, very good. So why they are good conductors of electricity?
They are good conductors of electricity because they have delocalized electrons, which allow them to carry charge around the
Yes. Why they are
atom.
malleable and flexible?
They are malleable and flexible because they have strong electrostatic forces of attraction, which hold the atoms together and allow them to be hammered into shape without breaking its structure.
So in this you have to write not strong electrostatic forces of attraction. You have to write that metallic bonds, they are non-directional. Okay, that means their atoms can slide past each other without breaking the bond. The metallic bond is non-directional. Means the atoms can slide past each other without breaking the bond. Therefore, metals can be hammered into sheets or drawn into wires.